Alright folks, this video I'm going to test out this AsRock Z490 Phantom Gaming 4 motherboard to get ready for sale. And we're just going to kind of do things quick here. Let's go ahead and put our CPU in. So always check your socket. Actually, looks like there might be some ever so slight damage in there. Hopefully that's not the case though. So I3-10320 going in there. Take your time. I'm doing this kind of fast. That did not pop off like it normally does. We need thermal paste. So I'm actually working out in between this, so I'm trying to go quick, but you guys should not go so fast. Alright, so this is a used one. Doesn't have thermal paste on it. You can see the arrows there. When we put this on, we're going to want to turn it opposite of that. So lift this up off of the deck, make this easier. Pop them in, and we probably have a bad one of these is probably bad. There we go. So they're all 4 in. Now, 4-pin on your motherboard. You may have multiple CPU connectors. On this one, it's this one right here. The other one's optional. Alright, so 4-pin can go in only one way. And hopefully that went in without damaging anything. You don't want to bend the pins, so try not to force it. Now, RAM. This may or may not be compatible. So I've got a second stick standing by. We're going to try this slot. Hopefully all the slots are good. One of the things I will test that you guys won't see, 24-pin connector, but getting back to the RAM, we will check every RAM slot. And then we only need one of our CPU power connectors. Now this CPU does have integrated graphics, but I really want to make sure that this works. I'm gonna probably not test the HDMI and let them know I didn't check it, but I want to make sure this and this slot work. Alright, so the only other thing, I'm not going to check all the front panel connectors, but I am going to check, if I can even find it. Oddly enough, folks, there it is. These motherboards are in different places. Alright, fire this up. So far this has only taken us 6 minutes 47 seconds. Fire that up, and we'll just hopefully see something on our screen. And if I see something on the screen, that lets me know I at least did the installation correctly. There we go. Just saw AsRock flash for a moment. So what else am I going to do? I'm going to test the USBs out, at least in the BIOS. We're not going to check the SATAs. We'll check all the RAM slots, and we'll check these 2 PCIEs. This is should be 3.0 by 16. I'm not sure what that one is. We won't check the smaller ones. We're not going to check any of the other crap. But obviously, folks, we have, let me make sure we can see this. You can see we at least have the CPU working, and everything's good. So that's going to do it for this video, folks. Thanks for checking out. Please like, please subscribe. Thank you.